Aren't you lucky? This 3-bedroom 1-bath garden cooperative turned 2-bedroom with formal dining room, open layout has just been completely renovated in early 2018 and is available for you. The apartment was completely gutted and has new sheetrock, new electrical wiring, electrical box, and new wood closet doors. Completely redone bathroom features floor-to-ceiling tiles and high-tech lighted mirror. Modern new kitchen features Samsung appliances. Aside from all the natural light this first-floor apartment receives, high-hats and overhead lighting were installed throughout. Laundry room in garden complex. Free storage area. Pet/dog-friendly building. Easily accessible to shopping center. Parkway. Express bus to Midtown. Maintenance is $811.28 and includes heat, hot water, cooking gas and electric. $20 per air conditioner, and there is a temporary assessment of $90 until August 2019. Current total is $921.28. In September 2019 it will be $831.28. Flip tax is $35 per share/360 shares. 25% down payment required if financing. http://